Ever feel like your money's playing a game of hide and seek, and you're always the one losing? You know, you get paid, you blink, and suddenly it's all gone. You're not alone. And if you've been scrolling through personal finance videos, you've probably stumbled upon YNAB. You need a budget. But the big question is it really worth paying for? After all, there are free budgeting apps out there, right? So, let's dive deep and see if YNAB lives up to the hype, and more importantly, if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's be real, a lot of budgeting tools just show you where your money went. YNAB flips the script. It's about telling your money where to go. That's the core philosophy. Every dollar gets a job. This isn't just tracking, it's proactive control. Imagine you're the CEO of your finances, and YNAB is your strategic planning tool. The 4 rules of YNAB are the backbone of its system, and they're what set it apart. First, give every dollar a job. This means assigning every single dollar you have to a specific category, from rent and groceries to that dream vacation fund. Second, embrace your true expenses. What about those annual insurance premiums or car registrations? YNAB helps you break them down into manageable monthly amounts so you're never caught off guard. Third, roll with the punches. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up. YNAB encourages you to adjust your budget and move money around, instead of throwing your hands up in defeat. And fourth, age your money. The goal is to live off last month's income, not this month's. This buffer gives you a sense of security and reduces financial stress. But here's the thing, YNAB isn't free. So, what are you actually paying for? You're paying for a system that forces you to be intentional with your money. You're paying for a community and educational resources that help you understand and implement the 4 rules. You're paying for a level of control and clarity that many free apps simply don't offer. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the learning curve. YNAB can be a bit overwhelming at first. It requires a shift in mindset, and it takes time to get the hang of it. But, like learning any new skill, the payoff is immense. Once you understand the system, you'll wonder how you ever managed your money without it. Consider this: how much money have you lost to overspending, late fees, or simply not knowing where your money was going? If YNAB helps you avoid even a fraction of those losses, it can easily pay for itself. Many users report significant savings and a reduction in debt after using YNAB. Is it perfect? No. Some users find the subscription cost a barrier, and the initial setup can be time-consuming. But, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, YNAB offers a powerful and effective system. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for YNAB comes down to your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a simple tracking tool, a free app might suffice. But if you want a comprehensive budgeting system that helps you change your financial habits, YNAB is worth considering. It provides a framework that promotes financial awareness and empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.